What up, my little Tyrogues? I'm Hitmonchampion back with another episode of our Pokemon Fire Red Hardcore Nuzlocke. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, if you saw the last episode, you will know that Koga made an absolute mockery out of us. And a lot happened off screen when I was trying to grind. But we'll go over that. So let's go over the team we have now. Obviously, it's going to look very different. So we'll start with one of the only two survivors we had last episode. Houdini the Kadabra, who is actually the hero of last time. Actually is the reason we were able to survive. He's got Psychic, Flash, Recover, and Reflect. Then we have our second survivor, who actually didn't really get to do much. Saitama the Hitmonchan with Mach Punch, Ice Punch, Sky Uppercut, and Fire Punch. And we have our first new team member, Hydra the Dodrio, with Tri-Attack, Growl, Fly, and Pursuit. Pretty good team member. Glad we have him. Then we have Bandit the Persian, who's wearing the black glasses, with Payday, Dig, Secret Power, and Feint Attack. I decided to go with Bandit because Payday might be nice. Feint Attack, Dark type moves might also be nice, considering we're about to go up against a Psychic type gym. And I still haven't tried to capture that other Snorlax yet, so we'll get to that eventually, though. We have Kaido the Gyarados, who I got all the way from the Magikarp salesman. He's got Secret Power, Bite, Surf, and Hydro Pump. Intimidate, which is going to be lovely. And then we have our last team member, Tesla the Raichu, who we got at the power plant. Now, that's something I did off screen. I caught a few Mons in areas that we could catch them. And one of them was the power plant. I didn't go deep into the power plant. I just basically went in through the door just to catch the Mon that we could. And it turned out to be a Pikachu. And now she's a beautiful Raichu. She's got Thunderbolt, Thunder Wave, Double Team, and Quick Attack. Gonna be honest, I would have preferred Magnemite, but can't cry. Beggars can't be choosers, I should say. So, I'm going to go ahead, show you some other team members, some other Pokemon we caught, as well as some that died. So first, Nessie the Lapras died off screen. So, Tesla or Raichu, I was training at that little pond area in Cerulean City because Psyduck basically always spawn there, and they give special attack EVs. So I thought that was a pretty good place to train Tesla. Except, oh wait, it's not actually 100% encounter rate, it's a 99% encounter rate, because there's a 1% chance to encounter a Coughing. And so I did, I encountered a pretty strong Coughing. So I went into Nessie, thinking that, okay, maybe she could do something about this. And then, the Coughing immediately exploded. So there was Nessie down immediately. She didn't get to do much of anything at all. And then we got Gazora, who we caught on Route 19. And I thought this would have been a pretty good water type. But he was leveling up so slow. Then I had an idea. I'm going to go to the Pokemon Tower, because the Pokemon Tower has a bunch of Ghastlies, and they give special attack EVs, and that would be very nice for a Tentacool to have. Then I run into a Cubone, and I'm thinking, oh, I'm just going to surf. This thing's going to go down. Psych! Cubone's faster, it lands a Bone Club, and one-shots Gazora. So yeah. Then we got smile back at the Goldeen, who I just caught in Fuchsia. Nothing interesting there, really. I don't see myself using you. I hope I don't get desperate enough to use you. And we've got Shooter the Clefairy, who I got in the Celadon game corner, because I thought it would be the best choice. And then I got to looking at the movesets for Clefable and Clefairy. They're not great. And Jolly, I didn't know how I felt about that nature. So I just decided, you know what, we won't use you right now. And that's... And I did evolve some Mons. Yeah, I evolved some Mons off camera because I was trying to get the EXP share. But whoops! The EXP share requires 50 Pokemon, and I only had 40, and I completely forgot about that. One thing I did do with Remy here, though, is I did teach him Thief, and I went back and got a bunch of tiny mushrooms and big mushrooms from Paris in Mount Moon. Okay, we all caught up? Good. Because in this episode, we are going to be taking on Sabrina. And I am... Ooh, I'm not excited about that. After what happened last episode with Koga... Because what it was, I thought Koga was going to be an absolute massacre. I thought I was going to steamroll him. Because I had Houdini. He was one-shotting everything. But then the Muck came out and I wasn't too confident that Houdini could one-shot him. And thought he would get one shot back in return. But then I let the Muck set up Minimize. And just the less said about last episode, the better. We're not going to dwell on it too much. We're going to try to move on. And I don't actually want to battle too many of the trainers here, because I don't want to go over leveled. As you see, before Tesla got that level up, she was level 40 like everybody else. Houdini was the only one who was level 41. Let's give Kaido a go. No problem. And we got disabled. Beautiful. No problem. Yeah, you keep recovering. I don't care. Okay, I think this was the one where... Nope, that was not the one. Was it this one? It was not that one. It was not that one. It was this one. Okay. Do I want to get her over with? I think I do. I think I do want to get her over with. So, who to start with? You have 60 special defense. That's poultry. 63 is not much better. Oh, gosh. I think our best bet to start off is Kaido. But then, oh, gosh. Houdini, how fast are you? 95. You're 102, so... We'll let Hydra go first. If Hydra can grab just an easy, quick KO to start off the match, that'd be lovely. Oh boy. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I thought I had this... Before last episode, I thought I had this in the bag. But now I'm nervous. Okay, so she leads off with Kadabra. Try attack. Go faster. This Kadabra should be DED dead. There's no way it can survive this. Bam! One shot right out the gate. Awesome. Alright, what's next? Mr. Mime. Okay, can we one-shot it? Can we one-shot it? That'd be lovely. We one-shot it. All right. All right. Venomoth, was it? Right? Yes. I'm going to go for a fly and just hope that this Venomoth doesn't set up any screens. And it didn't. It went for Psybeam. This Venomoth should be DED dead. It is dead. Alright. Last one. The big Mamma Jamma. It's Alakazam. Try attack. We're faster. Do we one-shot it? Do we one-shot it? Yes! The Alakazam is DED dead. Hydra just swept Sabrina. Woo! After last episode, I needed that. I absolutely needed that. Okie dokie. Oh, now all these trainers cannot be trained on anymore, but that's okay. That's okay. Alright, the nerves are gone. We're gonna get to go to Cinnabar now. We're gonna get 2 Fossil Mons. Everything's gonna be fine. We're gonna get a new encounter in the mansion. Everything's gonna be A-okay. First things first, we can catch something here. And something I want to go ahead and note. Dupes Clause is technically an optional rule. So if, like, there's no other encounters in the water that I haven't caught, then I theoretically could catch something that I've already caught. I could catch another Tentacool if I wanted to. Except, because this is a hardcore Nuzlocke, I wanted to make it a little more difficult on myself. And make it to where I can't use Dupes Clause, period. So if I run out of water encounters, then that's it. Just no more water encounters. So we're going to go here first. See what we get. Tangela. Kind of expected that. And we caught it. Pretty easily, too. I'm going to call you Noodles. If you don't understand why he's being called Noodles, I have to believe you're blind. Okay, this is all Route 21. I'm gonna save these trainers. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna try to hold off until I can grind. Well, except this guy, because he blindsided me. I'm just gonna obliterate him real quick, and here we are. Alright, we're gonna take care of these fossils real quick. Hello, sir. You are the Fossil Maniac. So we're gonna give you the Dome Fossil first. You're not actually the Fossil Maniac. You're not actually called the Fossil Maniac, I should say. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna quickly return to the Pokemon Center. So we can deposit a member. It doesn't really matter right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at Noodles. Why not? Bashful, nice and neutral. Yeah, your stats aren't great. And there's no Tangela in this game, so, or Tangrowth, I should say. Go ahead and deposit Tesla. Carry on. Actually, I feel like I caught a Shelder. Did I catch a Shelder? I did! Did I ever... I think I caught you on camera? I honestly don't remember. Yeah, whatever. Let's go and get our Kabuto. Hello, sir. I'd like my Kabuto, please. Alright, what do I call you? Oh, I know what I'm going to call you. I'm going to call you Basalt. Because I think that's what that's the one I had in Renegade Platinum. Okay, let's go ahead, give you the old Amber. We'll go back to the Pokemon Center, deposit Kabuto, have a look at him, see what he's looking like. Alright, Basalt. Docile. I think that's neutral. I can get down with that. Obviously, moveset's not great right now, but we'll get you there. We'll get you there. What's my Pokédex looking like now? Oh, man, I'm just going to be one away? What kind of... Well, actually, I'm going to get a new encounter in this mansion. So that way, I will definitely be able to... get the EXP share. Why couldn't I remember it? Alright, Aerodactyl. I already know what I'm naming you. You're gonna be Rodan. Alright, Rodan, let's take a look at you. Bashful, neutral, I'll take it. Great stats right out the gate. I love it. I'm happy with that. Alright, and finally, we must go to the mansion. It's going to be one of two things. It's going to be either a coughing or a Grimer. And if it's a... I'm going to start with Kaido. Because if it's a coughing, then I want to intimidate in case he does explode. And here we go. That's Dupes' claws. Dupes. It's a coughing. Who would have thought? Let's go to Hydra. Pursuit. Pursuit. Oh, I hate coughing. We just got him! We got the Intimidate drop. We got him in the perfect health range with Pursuit. And then he explodes! And not only does he explode, he gets a crit! I jinxed it. I jinxed it. I jinxed it. I jinxed every bit of that. I jinxed every second of that. And we don't even get... At least we got a new flying type, but... Oh. Alright, we have one more encounter we can get. I think I already know what it's going to be. Well, it could be one of two things. It could be a seal, it could be a Psyduck. I don't know. Now is really not the time. Okay, Seafoam Island. It's a Psyduck. Yay. We got it. I'm gonna call you Advil. I'm so upset right now. So after all that, I'm gonna have to do even more grinding. You got anything new for me? Of course you don't. Oh, God. I'm gonna go through the mansion anyway. But you better believe I'm throwing on some repels after that. After that absolute nonsense. I can't believe that just happened. We just got him leveled up. We just got him, period, pretty much. And it was to a... Oh. I just shouldn't say, I just shouldn't get all confident or happy about anything because literally it just comes back to bite me every single time. Last episode I was super happy about getting a Hitmonchan, and then very end of the episode our entire team just gets destroyed, demolished, obliterated, sent to the Shadow Realm. And now in this episode, I'm happy about sweeping Sabrina. And hey, wouldn't you know it? The mon I sweep her with is the one that dies. Life is pain. Life can be such pain. I really wish I really miss the old repel system. I say old, the new repel system, rather. Okay, I believe this was the right one. Yes. I ain't interested in battling any of you right now. Well, whatever. Get out of here. This was always the most annoying part because no matter what, you have to like go up and around and basically repeating. You'll see what I mean. We got Blizzard, which is nice. So you notice how like I went in one way and then that way became blocked off once I pressed that button. There's the secret key, and we got Solar Beam right here. So now I have to go back, press this button to unlock this door back. And then I have to go back up in here because otherwise that gate upstairs is going to be closed off again. So I have to go back up through here. And now we can get out with the key. And hey, we can go in the gym now, but I'm not gonna. I'm obviously not gonna. We're down a team member. At the very least, I'm glad I didn't use any TMs on her yet. Or him, rather. If I used my rest TM, I would have been super upset. Oh, we have Advil in the party. We can look at you. Quiet nature. Damp. Well, that would have been nice to have. Okay, God, this is gonna be a short episode, but I don't know what else to do. I mean, you're definitely going on the party. Because, I mean, what, am I gonna use a Firo? I'm still not even sure what to turn you into yet. Considering our options for water types is a little poor at the moment, well, okay, maybe not as poor as I thought. Jolteon might be fine. Flareon's learn set isn't very good, and also it's a physical attacker, and all fire moves are special in this game. This box is depressing me. This box is actually depressing to look at. Okay, well, whatever. We can at least get the... Yes, we have exactly enough. You know what I could do? You know what I could do? I'm gonna try it. I'm going to try it. I'm going for that Snorlax. Alright, what's our Ultra Ball situation looking like? 19. Okay. Great. Yeah, we'll lead off with Kaido. You do have Static. Oh, you have Thunder Wave too. Okay, so we're gonna lead off with Kaido. Get that Intimidate drop. Bite. Okay. Saitama. I'm gonna do some switching. Boom. Alright, he wasted his berry. Good. Yeah, that's fine, bud. That's fine, buddy. That's fine. That's absolutely fine. Alright, now we go to Tesla. Thunder Wave. Let's go for Bandit. Payday. Payday. Oof. Alright, let's try one Ultra Ball. We got it! Yes! We got it. We got the Snorlax. And I know exactly what I'm naming you. Wait, no. I usually name my Snorlax as David. I don't know why, just cuz I like that name for a Snorlax. But I got a new name for you now. Totoro. Oh, and we can get another leftovers here. Where's the item finder? There it is. There we go. Please have a good nature. Please have a good nature. At least don't have a bad nature. Please, 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 please. Oh! That's an attack-lowering nature. I don't like that. Hold on. What does it increase? Oh, no, it didn't. It increases special attack by 10%. Okay. Still bad. That's still bad. I thought it was an attack lowering nature. It's not, but it's still really bad. Because you're not a special attacker at all, and your defense is already not great, but... Nope, I'll let Bandit stay on the team for now. But that's some great backup power. And now, finally, we can get the EXP share. Please give me this. I could have used this so bad while I was grinding last time. And with that, I think I'm going to end this one here because I got a lot I need to do. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of our Pokemon Fire Red Hardcore Nuzlocke. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all next time.